Farm Team forecast now with meteorologist Lisa Green and some overnight rain showers making their way through parts of the region this morning.
Yeah, still coming down here in Fargo and a little bit heavier over into Minnesota at the moment. So we want to get right to it. We've got some rain in west central and northwestern Minnesota, stretching all the way over to Duluth this morning. So those are areas where we're really seeing that rain come down in the yellow at the moment, and some oranges showing up too on the map. So we're going to continue to be impacted by that through the morning hours. You can see out west, Devil's Lake down by Jamestown as well. We are quiet for the moment. So it looks like things have really quieted down for you. The rest of us still getting that good rain around Detroit Lakes and up to Bemidji. Taking a closer look on the radar, you can see Fargo Moorhead still has some rain at the moment, some light rain showers impacting us, and then over by Devil's Lake, or Detroit Lakes rather, we've got some rain in your area. Detroit Lakes down toward Park Rapids along Highway 59, and then stretching up toward Mahnomen on that same highway back over to Bagley too, and Park Rapids seeing some rain moving through more central parts of Hubbard County. Getting a good rain shower this morning. So some places are really feeling it, others where it's a little bit on the drier side. Of course, where you've got the rain falling, we've got some issues with some visibility. We're at 6 miles in Park Rapids, and in Fargo, we've got 6 mile report there too. Hallock at 4, and Cooperstown reporting a visibility of 8 miles. Our wind is out of the south or southeast in areas where we're getting the rain. You can see it's a little stronger. Wadena, 21 mile per hour gust there. Same thing in Roseau. Pretty quiet down toward Gwinner and back over into Devil's Lake and Jamestown into the teens. It's 57 degrees currently in Fargo and 57 in Grand Forks. So temperatures pretty comfortable. It's just that you're going to have to step out into some rain puddles to get to where you need to be this morning, especially along the Red River and east from there. And looking at your hour-by-hour planner, here's a look at what we've got. We've got some rain and heavier rain at times moving through northwestern parts of Minnesota. That will continue to lift northward over the next couple of hours. We're looking at the bulk of the rain around 7 a.m. closer to the Canadian border around Baudette, back over to Roseau. But there will still be some trailing showers from there along the Red River and east. And then ahead for the 9 a.m. hour, this continues to lift northward, and beyond that, we're looking at some clearing happening in eastern North Dakota. So we might get to see some sunshine pretty early this morning in some spots. Over to the east, obviously, we'd be stuck under the clouds and rain for a little while longer. Temperatures into the 50s. Ahead for noon, most of that rain clears. We might have a couple of lingering sprinkles or showers up in the north and over toward our eastern viewing area. Temperatures at that point approaching the 60-degree mark with wind out of the west into the teens. By 5 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low to mid-60s. So a cooler day on the way for today with mostly cloudy conditions. Then later tonight, a few more showers start to develop and push into our south or southeastern viewing area here by late tonight. Let's see what happens as we move into the overnight hours. You can see more heavy rain kind of in some of the same areas that we are getting it this morning and had overnight. So more places seeing those rain showers, hearing that rain against your window in the overnight hours. 6 a.m. temperatures into the upper 40s to some low 50s, and just kind of lingering rain hanging around into the early morning for Tuesday before that starts to lift to the north and east. And then by 5 o'clock, we're looking at some quieter weather, but not super warm out there for your Tuesday either, with some partly cloudy skies. Here's a look at your 7-day planner for today. Temperatures into the mid-60s, that chance for some rain, especially again in the morning hours that we're getting right now. For Tuesday, that chance for another round of some morning rain potentially. Not as widespread necessarily, but still impacts might be in some of the same areas as well. Most places spending your day in the 50s to around 60 degrees. Wednesday, some low 60s on Wednesday and into Thursday. And then Friday and into this weekend, looking at some slightly warmer temperatures. We're running a little bit below average this week. So we're looking at some mid to upper 60s for Friday, and into Saturday approaching more average temperatures here in the valley. We'll get a little more active as well Friday and into Saturday with highs in the mid to upper 60s. Breezy weather too here this weekend with rain showers. So more temperatures in the 60s for the weekend, and perhaps some more rain as well. And today, got some puddles to dodge here this morning as you step out the door.
Thank you, Lisa.